Hi kids! I'm Lily. Let's sing and learn the alphabet together. Let's start. A for apple, A. Let's all clap and shout hooray. B for ball, B. Let's bounce along, 1 2 3. C for crab, C. Clap your claws and dance with me. D for dog, D. Woof woof woof, it's fun, you will see. E for elephant, E. Big floppy ears, as you can see. F for flower, F. Sway so bright and bloom with me. G for goat, G. Hop hop hop, come graze with me. H for hop, H. Hop hop hop, come jump with me. I for ice, I. Cold and cool beneath the sky. J for juice, J. Sip and sway, come groove with me. K for kangaroo, K. Hop hop hop, come jump with me. L for lion, LL. Roar and prance, come play with me. M for milk, M. From a cow, so fresh and yum. N for nest, N. Where birds rest, snug and warm. O for octopus, O. Waving arms wherever they go. P for pineapple, P. Bounce and roll, come spin with me. Q for queen, Q. With a crown, so royal and bright. R for rabbit, R. Hopping around with a fluffy fur. S for snake, S. Slithering softly, what a hiss. T for tiger, T. Roaring loud, so strong and fit. U for umbrella, U. Keeping you dry when it rains, woohoo. V for vine, V. Climbing high, swinging in the breeze. W for wind, W. Blowing gently, through the trees. X for xylophone, XXX. Playing sweet music, tap. Y for yo-yo, Y. Up and down, watch it fly. Z for zebra, Z. Stripes so bold, as you can see. Bye, kids. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun.